Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to take blur photos on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, blurring the background or irrelevant elements in a photo draws attention to the main subject or focal point, creating a visually appealing effect and emphasizing the subject's importance. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the camera app on your device. And to capture a photo with a blur background, start by focusing on the object you want to photograph. Once the object is in the focus, press the shutter button to take the picture. Okay, additionally, you can achieve a blur effect using the Pro mode. To do this, tap on the three dot menu and then select the Pro option. And in the Pro mode, tap on the autofocus menu and then adjust the blur by sliding the focus slider to the right or left according to your preference. By manually adjusting the focus, you can create a more pronounced blur effect, giving your photos a professional look with a sharp subject and a beautifully blurred background. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to take blur photos on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.